In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite additional attendees to a Microsoft Outlook meeting. Whether you're trying to bring more team members into an important discussion or simply adjusting your guest list, this task is straightforward and can be done in just a few steps. Before we begin, make sure you're logged into your Microsoft Outlook account and have access to the calendar associated with your email. Now let's get started. First, open Outlook if it's not already running on your computer. Outlook is your go-to application for managing emails, scheduling meetings, and organizing your tasks, so it should be familiar to you. Once Outlook is open, you'll want to navigate to your calendar. You can do this by clicking on the calendar icon, usually located in the lower left corner of the Outlook window. This will show you all of your scheduled appointments and meetings in a familiar calendar view. Next, locate the meeting you previously created and want to update with additional attendees. You can either find it directly on the calendar grid if it's scheduled for today, or use the navigation tools to browse other days if it's scheduled further out. Once you've located the meeting, double-click on it to open it. This will bring up the meeting details in a separate window. In this window, you'll notice the Invite Attendees button, or sometimes it might be labeled with a "to" field, depending on your version of Outlook. Click on this to open the pane where you can manage the attendee list. Here you'll want to add the new email addresses of those you'd like to invite. Simply type their email addresses in the field provided, separating multiple addresses with a semicolon, and Outlook will recognize this as a list of contacts. Once you've added the new attendees, your next step is to send a meeting update so they receive the invitation. Click on the Send Update button. This action will prompt a pop-up window offering you choices on how to notify the attendees. You'll see two options: send updates only to added or removed attendees, and send full update to all attendees. Choose the first option if you prefer not to disturb those who are already confirmed to attend. This ensures that only the newly added people receive the notification. However, if something significant has changed about the meeting that affects everyone, feel free to select the option to send a full update to all attendees. And that's it. You've successfully invited additional attendees to your meeting. Keeping your meeting list updated ensures everyone who needs to be in the loop has the details they need to participate. Using these steps, you can easily adjust your meetings in Outlook as your calendar evolves. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel confident inviting more colleagues to your next meeting.